If you happen to be a marketer for a small business, chances are that you wear many different hats. Why would you want to add video marketing on top of all that? Well, we're here to show you why video marketing is worth your time and effort. Here are 6 of the biggest benefits of video marketing for small business. Hey everyone, it's Charlie from Vidyard here. Today we rounded up the top 6 reasons why you should care about video and how it can help fuel your business and save you time and money in the long run. Let's get started. Number 1, get on Google, rank higher in search. It's no surprise that Google is the largest search engine in the world. So adding video to your websites can actually help significantly increase your page's search rankings on Google. In fact, adding video to your website increases your chances of ranking on the first page of Google results. When you're a small business, you want to capitalize on every opportunity to be found by prospective customers, especially ones like these that don't cost you anything. 2, increase the understanding of your product. Now, products can be complex, so it's essential that your audience understands your product before they make the next purchase. An explainer video of your product gives you the chance to show, not just tell potential customers what you're offering and how it solves a problem. Customers that are better informed are far more likely to buy. Number 3, build stronger brand affiliation and connection. Watching a video provides both audio and visual stimulation. That means that viewers are more engaged and therefore naturally develop a stronger affiliation and interest in the content they're consuming. This is crucial for small business. You want to establish that brand recognition and those loyal customers who keep coming back for more. Number 4, show up more on social feeds. Social media feeds are great for showing people what they want to see, but algorithms make it hard for small businesses to be discovered by new audiences. So when it comes to social, video is your express route. Not only will eye-catching video content make people more likely to stop mid-scroll, but those interactions will also help expand your reach. Number 5, boost email click-throughs and increase conversions. Using video for outreach can help break through inboxes and earn up to 3 times more responses. Here's how. Include a thumbnail from the video in the body of your email. Users click the thumbnail, which takes them to your website or landing page to watch the video. It makes your email's call to action more compelling, and conversion rates on your website can double. Number 6, get more bang for your buck. In 2020, 93% of businesses landed a new customer because of a video on social media. Companies that use video are also growing revenue 49% faster than those who don't. Can you afford to leave results like that on the table? The numbers speak for themselves, but we'll say it anyway. You need video. Still curious about video marketing? Well, we've highlighted the top 6 benefits. Check out our blog post in the description below to learn all about the other benefits of using video marketing for your small business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.